Welcome to this charming home located at 23368 Merion in Mission Viejo, California. This home resides behind the private gated community of Cypress Point. This is a 2-bedroom with an option for a 3rd bedroom. You're looking at 2,300 square feet, and this home has been completely, and I mean completely remodeled. I know you're gonna love it. Let's go take the tour. Don't you love this kitchen? You're looking at quartz countertops, brand new cabinetry, replaced appliances. You have a kitchen nook, and this opens to the family room. This is stunning. We have a completely remodeled primary bathroom, an oversized closet, and look how spacious this primary bedroom is. The natural light in here is incredible. One of my favorite things about this property is its location. You are located at the end of a cul-de-sac. It's very peaceful and tranquil here, and you're literally right across the street from Lake Mission Viejo. If you have interest in touring this home, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks so much for taking the tour.